Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to tell you why popular YouTubers are switching to Davinci Resolve. So the shift from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve by many YouTubers can be attributed to several factors. And through this video, I'm going to show you a breakdown comparing the two and why Davinci Resolve is gaining tractions. So first one is the pricing and affordability. So the Premiere Pro subscription-based model via Adobe Creative Cloud and its long-term cost can add up significantly for creators. While in DaVinci Resolve, it offers a free version with robust features sufficient for many creators. And the studio version is a one-time purchase, making it more cost-effective in the long run. The second one is the performance and optimization. So in Premiere Pro, users often report crashes, lags, and slow performance, especially on a system with lower specs. So its reliance on CPU over GPU can limit editing efficiency. While in DaVinci Resolve, it known for its GPU accelerations, leading to smoother performance, especially during rendering and playback. So, DaVinci Resolve optimized for both Mac and PC system, especially of Apple Silicon Macs. And the third one is all-in-one platform. So in Premiere Pro, it primarily focuses on video editing and it requires additional software such as After Effects, Audition, and for audio editing for advanced workflows. While in DaVinci Resolve, it combines video editing, color grading, effects or fusions, and also audio in one platform. So it saves time by eliminating the need to switch between programs. The next one is the superior color grading. In Premiere Pro, decent color grading tools, it has decent color grading tools but lacks the depth and precision of DaVinci Resolve. While in DaVinci Resolve, it has industry standard for color grading with advanced tools and node-based workflows. So many creators and filmmakers prefer Resolve for its cinematic color controls. And next one is community and accessibility. So Premiere Pro has a large user base, but the subscription cost can deter beginners. While in DaVinci Resolve, the growing community of creators transitioning to it, and the free versions make it accessible to hobbyists and professionals alike. And the last one is the workflow integration. So in Premiere Pro, it has seamless integration with other Adobe apps but can feel fragmented, while in DaVinci Resolve it offers a unified interface for editing, grading, audio, and effects. So it streamlines workflows especially for solo creators. So that's pretty much all. The benefit between Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. So each has a different uh different benefits, and it's up to you to choose Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.